as you lose weight, your metabolic capacity comes down with it, guys.
Because you don't want to lose weight too fast, right?
You don't want to lose weight quickly.
Yeah.
Guys, the target weight loss is you want to be losing somewhere between 1% to 0.5% to 1.5% of body weight loss per week. Okay, so if you're a 200-pound guy, you don't want to lose more than like 1 to 2 pounds a week. All right, you want your fat loss to be slow, guys. And the reason why you want your fat loss to be slow is that so you can minimize lean body mass lost while maximizing lean body mass retained. Okay, and maximizing fat loss. And the only way that you could do that is by dieting nice and slow.
All right, we got Saren VX at $20 says, I never knew cardio after weight training. I always did cardio before my weight training.
Stupid. Don't do that shit no more. That'll fuck you up. $20 from Zaffron77. Thank you so much. Yves Simonis, Myron, you spoke facts, but if you intermittent fasted, it would keep your insulin levels low, resulting in a more efficient fat loss and growth hormone secretion, causing you to be more shredded than you are. Okay, so they've done studies on this already, Yves, and they found that insulin spikes don't fucking matter, bro. They don't. If calories are controlled, insulin spikes don't do shit. Ta-da! It always comes back to energy balance.